Our next script is on compute, as I explained in the previous recording. Let's visit this directory, scripts, Ubuntu. On compute, I'm logged in as stack user and I'm working inside this directory, home stack scripts Ubuntu. In the last script, we installed Nova. That was our last script, number 4. So initialization done, upgrade done. That was for a OpenStack client installation. Nova 1 and Nova 2 were executed. Now let's complete the Neutron part on this machine. Script number 5 is Neutron. As usual, the first script is installing the software, and it is particularly installing Neutron Linux Bridge agent. So we just need Bridge agent on this machine. So let's execute the script number 5. The installation of the packages is complete. We'll look at the script number 6, which is setting up Neutron on compute node. We are on the compute node, remember, making changes into etc neutron neutron.conf. Various actions, you can see that transport URL, default action, keystone, auth token. After that, this is what we are doing, and Oslo concurrency, log path, and this is the section, and this is the variable, this is the value we are setting up. Let's execute this script number 6. Done. So we'll look at script number 7 now. This script is configuring self-service network if it is not there. So let's execute using setting up Neutron Linux Bridge agent.ini. Interface name on this machine, it is setting up the interface enp0s8 because our management interface is enp0s8. This is what is how it is identifying that. That's it. So it is checking up that. So let's execute this script number 7. Done. So script number 8, this script is changing Nova settings for Neutron so that Nova uses Neutron. So it is editing the file etc nova.conf, and this is Neutron section in the nova.conf file. After that is restarting the services and restarting that, and finally it is listing the bridge, all the bridge, Neutron OpenStack network agent list, so it will display all the agents. So executing script number 8. So you can see that metadata agent is running on controller, DHCP agent. So all the agents you can verify here. The agents are running successfully. So let's move on to the next. What is the next step? Next, script number 8 is just now executed. So next session will be Cinder on the compute node. Cinder part 1, part 2. That's all for this session. Thank you very much for watching.